Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Jake World 035. Are you trying to make serious money online in 2025? Then you need to be paying attention to print on demand or POD. I'm talking about designing awesome stuff like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it, and having a company handle all the printing and shipping when someone buys from your store. No more packing boxes in your basement at 2 a.m. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how print on demand works, step by step, so you can start making money online. And make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal the secret tools that the top 1% of POD sellers are using right now to absolutely crush it. Alright, so what exactly is print on demand and why is everyone talking about it? In a nutshell, print on demand is a business model where you get to be the creative genius designing custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. But here's the kicker. You don't have to touch any inventory. You partner with a third-party company, your trusty pod provider, and they handle all the printing and shipping for you. Someone buys a t-shirt with your killer design on it from your online store, and your pod provider gets that order, prints the shirt, packs it up all nice and pretty, and ships it directly to your customer. You literally just collect the profit. It's like having your own personal army of printing and shipping ninjas working for you 24/7. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, this sounds too good to be true. Who are these magical pod providers?
It's Yoycol. Well, Yoycol is a top-notch on-demand auto fulfillment service. With 7 years manufacturing experience, we know what we are doing. We pride ourselves on maintaining competitive price, premium quality, and lightning fast fulfillment and shipping speed. With over 1,000 product options, ranging from apparels, accessories, to home and living items, you can't run out of products to sell. Simply add text or upload images to design. Have we mentioned that all of our print is doable on every single piece of product on Yoycol? And if you want a real-time process overview and design, Yoycol's got you covered with our 3D mockup generator, which is amazing. And products you created can be synced seamlessly to Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, BigCommerce, and Wix stores. So we fulfill, pack, and ship products from our factory straight to your customer's doorstep. And you get to focus on the fun stuff, creating your custom designs, setting your own product prices, and marketing your very own brand. No inventory risk, no printing cost, no storage fee, and on top of those, no hassle. Yoycol is incredibly easy to use, and we offer reliable 24/7 customer support. From setup to printing, payment to shipping, we'll be here. Choose Yoycol for a print-on-demand business.
Is print on demand takes all the hassle out of running an online business. You get to focus on the fun part, designing awesome products and building your brand while your pod provider handles the rest. Okay, so now you know what print on demand is. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how to actually make this thing work for you. Step 1, pick your niche. This is where you gotta get laser focused. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Pick a specific niche, a group of people who are passionate about something. Think dog lovers, fitness junkies, coffee addicts, people who love motivational quotes, anime fans. You get the idea. The more specific your niche, the better you can tailor your designs and the more likely you are to find customers who are absolutely obsessed with what you're selling. Step 2, design time, baby. Now here's the good news. You don't need to be Picasso to create awesome designs. We've got tools for that. Canva, Placeit, Kittl, these platforms are like cheat codes for creating professional-looking designs, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. And listen up, because this is huge in 2025. ChatGPT and Midjourney are your new best friends. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm design ideas and generate catchy slogans, then plug those ideas into Midjourney and watch it create mind-blowing artwork right before your eyes. It's like having an AI design assistant working for you 24/7. Step 3, choose your pod platform. For all you beginners out there, I recommend starting with Etsy. It's free to set up shop, they've already got a massive built-in audience, and it integrates seamlessly with Printify. Once you start scaling and want more control over your brand, that's when you level up to Shopify and connect it with a
It's Yoycol. Well,
let's get those products listed. Create some eye-catching mock-ups of your designs on different products, set your profit margin. I recommend aiming for 30 to 50%, and then list those bad boys on your store with clear, concise titles and relevant tags. Remember, the key here is to make it easy for people to find and fall in love with your products. Alright, your shop is all set up, your designs are fire, but how do you actually get people to click that Buy Now button? That's what we're going to cover right now. The best traffic strategies to turn your pod store into a sales machine. Let's start with the free stuff because who doesn't love free traffic? Etsy SEO. If you're on Etsy, you need to master their search engine optimization. That means using the right keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags, so your products show up when people are searching for what you're selling. Pinterest. This platform is a goldmine for visual-based businesses like Piod. Create eye-catching pins that showcase your designs and link them directly to your product pages. Instagram Reels. Short, engaging videos are all the rage right now, and Instagram Reels are the perfect way to show off your products in action. Get creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. TikTok. If you can create content that goes viral on TikTok, you can literally wake up to thousands of dollars in sales. It's happened to me, and it can happen to you. Focus on creating entertaining and shareable content that features your products in a unique way. Now let's talk about paid traffic. This is where you put some money down to get your products in front of a larger audience. Facebook ads. Facebook is still the king of targeted advertising. You can target people based on their interests, demographics, behaviors. It's incredibly powerful. TikTok ads. TikTok ads are killing it right now, especially for trendy products. The key here is to create ads that feel native to the platform, almost like they're just another TikTok video. Google Shopping ads. These ads are perfect for when people are already searching for products like yours on Google. Now I promised I'd share some secret weapons with you, and I always deliver. These are the tools that the top pod sellers are using to absolutely crush it in 2025. Take notes. Secret weapon number 1, Everbee. This is my go-to tool for Etsy product research. Everbee is like having X-ray vision into what's selling on Etsy right now. You can see what keywords are trending, what products are selling like hotcakes, and even spy on your competitors to see what's working for them. Knowledge is power, people, and Everbee gives you the knowledge you need to dominate your niche. Secret weapon number 2, Kittl. Forget what I said earlier about Canva. Kittl is where it's at for POD design in 2025. They have a massive library of high-quality design templates that are specifically designed for print on demand. We're talking t-shirt designs, mug designs, phone case designs, you name it, they've got it. And the best part is, their templates are way more unique and professional looking than anything you'll find on Canva. Secret weapon number 3, MyDesigns.ai. This tool is an absolute game changer for automating your pod business. MyDesigns.ai allows you to bulk, create mockups, product titles, descriptions, and even listings for your entire product catalog. We're talking about saving hours, if not days, of tedious work. It's like having a virtual assistant that specializes in POD. These tools are the real deal, folks. They're what separate the amateurs from the pros in the POD game. Okay, I know what you're really thinking. Graham, all this sounds great, but how much money can I actually make with print on demand? And that's a fair question. The answer, my friend, is it depends. It depends on how much effort you're willing to put in, how well you target your niche, how awesome your designs are, and how effectively you market your products. But let me give you some real-world numbers to get you excited. Let's say you sell just 5 t-shirts a day with a $10 profit margin on each shirt. That's $50 a day, which translates to $1,500 per month. Not bad for selling a few t-shirts, right? Now imagine scaling that to 20 sales per day. That's $200 per day, or $6,000 per month. And that's just from t-shirts. Many POD sellers are making $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 or more per month by selling a variety of products, building a strong brand, and scaling their marketing efforts. The beauty of print on demand is that the income potential is truly unlimited. The more you put in, the more you get out. So there you have it. That's exactly how you can make money with print on demand in 2025. We covered everything from finding your niche and creating killer designs to marketing your products and scaling your business. If you got value from this video, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments below. I'm starting POD in 2025, so I can cheer you on. Thanks for watching, and remember, the only thing stopping you from building a successful print-on-demand business is you. Now go out there, create awesome stuff, and start selling. You got this.